Hello everyone, my name is Ujjwal, and in this video I'm going to show you how to offset points in QGIS. So here we are in QGIS 3.16. I have a street network. This is a road data layer downloaded from OpenStreetMap, and I've created some points using the points along geometry tool in the processing toolbox, and this creates points at a specified interval. I chose 25 meters. So we have 25-meter points along each road geometry. Let's say we want to offset them on one side of the street at a specified distance. This may be required for many utility use cases or addressing use cases, etc. So if we search in the processing toolbox, you see that there is no offset points tool. We have an offset line tool here. So we're going to do this in two steps. First, we're going to offset the line to the selected road segment to the specified distance, and then we're going to snap the points to that. So let's start. I'll use the selection tool to select this road segment, and I'll select the offset line tool, and we want to offset it by, let's say, 10 meters. So I'll leave the settings to default. I'll select, check this box so it offsets only the selected line. And we'll run this. Right, so we have a line here, which is now offset to 10 meters from the road. And what I want is I want these points to be moved on this line. So they'll be offset from that. As you notice, the processing toolbox creates a new layer after every tool is run. We can change that using this mode. So this mode is called Edit Features in Place. And once I enable this, the list of tools available will shorten, but these are the tools that are able to now take the input features and then modify them in place and change the geometries of that. So I'm going to select the points layer now and select the points. So you can just use the select points by rectangle. I can keep holding the shift key to select the points that I want. So now we'll snap these points to the offsetted line. So I'll search for the tool, and we're going to use this tool called Snap Geometries to Layer. And here you'll see that the dialog is slightly different. The input will always be the layer that you're currently working on, and there's no output because the output, all the input features will be modified. So the reference layer will be the offset layer. This is the tolerance. This specifies the distance you need to search before you find a geometry that can be snapped to. And since the point is 10 meters away, we can leave it 10. But due to the floating point math, sometimes the distance needed is slightly bigger than 10. So it's advisable to make it slightly larger on that. The result will be exactly 10 meters away, but you need to specify a slightly larger tolerance. So I'm going to make it 20 meters for this. The third one is how should you snap the points? And there are many different options available to you. Here we want to snap it to the nearest point on the line. And we said don't insert new vertices on the line because we are anyway going to discard that line. That's just a reference line that we had constructed. And now I'm going to click the modify selected features. And as I do this, you'll see that the points have now moved to that line. And I'm going to remove this offset line here, and you'll see my points are now moved. We'll save the edits to this layer and toggle editing. So now we were able to successfully select some points and offset them by exactly 10 meters on one side of the street. If you wanted to do this on the other side of the street, you can use the negative distance while doing the offset. So in the first step, when we use the offset lines layer, you can do -10. It will go on the other side of the street. Hope you liked the video. There are many other videos in the same series. It's called QGIS Advanced Data Editing, and it'll teach you how to use some of the advanced digitizing tools in QGIS. Thank you.